Playground has the shape of a quadrilateral ABCD shown below, where the lengths of AB, BC and CD are 36 meters, 77 meters and 13 meters respectively. Angles B and D are both 90 degrees, so we can see this as two right-angled triangles. We want the length of AC, so we're going to use Pythagoras' theorem. Now what I would do is write down that AC squared, AC is the hypotenuse here, is 36 squared plus 77 squared. But then, once I've got that down, I would go and use the activity. Here we go, here's Pythagoras. And look at the formula here. The C is the hypotenuse, that's what we're trying to work out. We know that A is 36 and B is 77, doesn't matter if those are the other way around. And then we'll just solve that one, and we get C is 85. So AC is equal to 85 meters. Now it's a 2-mark question. You don't actually have to show any working here, but I would show that I'm using Pythagoras' theorem. Now the bottom part is also Pythagoras, because we now know that this one is 85 and we're working out AD. Now AD is one of the shorter sides, so that's going to be the 85 squared, take away the 13 squared. So it's one of the shorter sides, so let's suppose that's A. The other short side is 13, hypotenuse is 85, that was already in there from just now, and indicate that we're finding this shorter side and solve, and that's 84. So AD is equal to 84 meters. Square playground PQRS has the same area as playground ABCD. Determine the area of playground ABCD. Well, that's going to be two triangles. Now let's just note that this one's 84. So if we look at the bottom triangle here, a half times 84 times 13, half base times height for that one. And for this one, the base is 77, the height's 36. So that's a half times 77 times 36. And we can go ahead and calculate that. So we need to go back to main. Let's just clear all the stuff from previous questions. And then we've got a half, or 0.5, times 84 times 13. And then we'll add that to 0.5 multiplied by 77 multiplied by 36. That's 1932 square meters. Determine the perimeter. Well, if it's a square and the area is 1932, then the side length here is the square root of 1932. So what we'll do is we'll just do the square root of 1932, which is 43.954, and so on. And so we're doing 43.954 and so on, multiplied by 4 for perimeter, because there's 4 sides. So we'll just multiply the last answer by 4. 175.8 meters, correct to 1 decimal place.